Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Safari cannot open the page because the server cannot be found. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, make sure that you are searching correct URL. Then close this page. Now let me tell you that you have to open the settings. Maybe there is a network problem, that's why maybe you're facing the error like this. First of all, you have to turn on aeroplane mode at least for the 60 seconds. Now turn this off. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply turn to mobile data if you're using Wi-Fi or vice versa. Then scroll it down, then tap on general, scroll it down all the way, tap on date and time and make sure that your date and time is also correct. Then scroll it down from here guys, and then tap on transfer or just tap on reset. From here you have to tap on reset network setting. So you have to reset the network setting first. No, after that guys, check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then what you need to do is just simply you have to open the settings. Now from here guys, you have to scroll it down and locate for the Safari app. From here guys, you have to scroll it down all the way and just simply you have to tap on advanced. Now from here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to tap on website data, and you can see your website data here. I don't have any. If you have, then you can see at the bottom remove website data option. Just simply you have to tap on that. Then close this page from here guys, and just simply you have to go to clear history and website data. From here guys, you have to tap on all history, then you have to tap on clear history, then close this page. And after that, check if it's working or not. If it's still not working, open the settings, then tap on general. From here guys, you have to update your device to the latest version. After that, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today video. If there is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.